Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn that how we can add different family members in the Uber app. So let's start. So first, open the Uber app. After letting it open, just let it load. After that, you can see your basic user interface that is available in the Uber app. Now here you can see your scroll down. Okay, now once you have squandered all the way in the Uber app, what you need to do is just click on this account option, which is located in the right bottom corner of the screen. Now click on it. After that, let it load, and here will be your personal profiles options like help, wallet, trips, send a gift, settings, messages, earn by driving or delivering. Now it's very easy. What you need to do is just click on this setting options. Now after clicking on the setting options, your basic details will appear. You can add your workplace or your saved places or shortcuts that you need to go. Now scroll down and see safety option. Now here you can click on manage trusted contacts. After clicking on the manage trusted contacts, it will ask you to add a trusted contact. Now if you want to add a family member, just click on add trusted contact and search your family member. Suppose this guy A1 is my family member, and I will select it and I will just click on next option. Now A1 was added to my security area. Now here I can alert my family where I am going, what will be the trip cost, where will it leave me, so next time it will be secure for me. So this is how you can add members to your Uber app. Also know you can add unlimited number of family members in this. So basically I don't think you will need more than 4 to 5, but you can add more. So just click on this. Now you can do your basic driving and going to several places. Now this was it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, thank you for watching.